on our way to Joshua. Where are we going? How yes!
Hi everyone, my name is Isari, and today's vlog is going to be about my 2-night camping trip at Joshua Tree, California with 3 of my closest friends. If you've never been to Joshua Tree, this video will give you a preview of what it could potentially be like for you and your friends or family if you choose to camp here. I definitely recommend visiting this vibrant desert, especially if you're a photographer, filmmaker, or artist of some sort, because Joshua Tree is known to have some of the best evening lighting, breathtaking sunsets, star-filled skies, and beautiful desert landscapes. If you find this video helpful or entertaining, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel for more content like this.
Oh, I brought walkie-talkies.
I hope you enjoy. By the time we arrived to Joshua, it was already pretty late at night, and we didn't realize that we had accidentally forgotten the tent until we got there. But thankfully, my friends ended up bringing 2 blow-up mattresses, and we were able to experience sleeping under the stars, which was so surreal and awesome. Also, a really cute idea, make sure that if you have solar powered lights, bring those, because my friends ended up bringing these Christmas lights we put around our mattress and these lantern lights, which just made our camping site easier to spot and gave this kind of slumber party vibe. As you can see in this video, there was hardly any other lights out there, which is what makes Joshua an excellent place to go stargazing. Since we had slept out in the open, once the sun was up, your girl was up, like 6 a.m, bright and early, and I'm honestly so grateful that I got to experience this, because waking up to a sunrise, being able to see the sun change color, the mountains around me, it was such a cool and freeing experience. Since I couldn't fall back asleep, my friend and I just decided to walk around the campground and do some light exploring and just check out all the nature scenes, the lake, and there was definitely a lot of birds just chirping away, having a very cheerful morning.
Good morning. Day 1 out here in Joshua Tree. I'm so excited. Good morning. So we got here really late last night. We're just waking up, and this lake here is so pretty. And today we're gonna go to Joshua.
While walking around this lake campground, we noticed that there was this bench that had like a lot of cool tile pieces on it. Randomly noted there was a face in one of them, so kind of weird, creepy. That was funny. After exploring, we headed back to our campsite to cook some breakfast.
There's our campsite. Right there. Yeah, I like how like the campsites are actually pretty good distance away from each other.
Once we got back to our campsite, we made some breakfast, and just a friendly reminder to make sure you bring either scissors or a pocket knife, open up any packages. Once breakfast is ready, we had a little moment of gratitude, and what we ended up doing, which might be a good idea if you go with friends or family, is that we each chose one meal that we would prepare and provide for. It was just nice karma to feed and cook for each other. As you can see here, I had prepped some overnight oats, turkey bacon, and cold brew.
Ladies. Woo, camping.
And of course, because this is a girls' trip, we decided to have a quick michelada right before heading out to the store to run some errands and grab some more water since it was really hot that day. Definitely bring a lot of water. Once we got our essentials, we headed out to Joshua Tree and decided to hike Skull Rock.
So we ended up stopping at Walmart and we found these water guns. Ah! I'm dead. So pretty. Hey, you can see the moon. We've made it to the top.
What do you guys think about this spot to chill?
Base. This sunset is making my day.
What?
I'm just kidding. Sunbathing, the last few hours of sunset. Woo! Joshua Day. Today was your birthday, technically.
Dumb. It's so fucking bright. I can't see shit.
Love you, guys.
Love you.
And-
Okay, hear me out. What makes any trip special is always going to be who you take with you, whether it's your friends, your family, but also being able to enjoy little moments of laughter, of fun, being playful, tapping into that side of you where it's like just being so present in the moment with each other, such as here we were singing karaoke at the top of our lungs, driving with the windows down, surrounded by this gorgeous view of sunsets, mountains, Joshua trees. If you are looking for a dreamy desert getaway, Joshua is definitely the place to be.
Thank you, Jackie.
Wait, is that open?
Yeah, it's open. It's like a weird little, yeah. Sorry, neighbors. And this is such a vibe.
For reals though, before I go camping again, I definitely want to get lights like this and even find more cool camping gear that can help make our place or little campsite really cozy and just comfortable, because they came in handy. Honestly, the restrooms were a little bit of a distance, so walking back, it just made us able to spot our campsite easier.
Yum, day 2, tacos and corn.
Oh yeah, make it happen.
Thanks, Sarah.
No problem.
I also recommend bringing extra blankets or hand warmers if you get cold like me. Of course, we had the late night munchy snacks. I also tried capturing the moon, but my camera is not the highest quality, so
Shout out to Baby Yoda. And then hot Cheetos. They're my favorite, so yum. That's me right there. Oh yeah, I didn't get a chance to capture. We went to the farmer's market earlier, which is where my friend got that book. Show me the fit.
if you guys stayed until the end of this video, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope you enjoyed it or found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys at my next vlog. Bye!